Hey guys, it's snowing. They're like, no, well, no fuck.
I know, it's like...
She just...
Oh my god, no, I'm gonna try to like Swan Lake it, like I was gonna be like...
Wait, I'll try it here where there's like no like
These
traction.
have, like, no traction at all.
Okay, she's gonna try and Swan Lake this bitch. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyways. You want to say something?
Hello, internet. Oh, my thumb was over it.
You like got me doing this.
So many people are watching us right now.
Like that guy who's walking away. He's
I'm like,
yeah,
so many people. There's like, no one. Oh.
Should I do what you did just so that we're even?
I mean, yeah, but they'll know that yours was like
Planned?
staged. Mine just kind of happened.
This isn't getting edited when it's going on the internet.
All right.
So we were gonna spend our day studying for finals, but we realized it's snowing outside and finals are a waste of time.
Okay, do you know what's gonna piss me off that I just thought about?
What?
I just straightened my hair,
Yeah.
and now it's gonna curl up. Curly hair probs, do you feel me? I didn't wanna be in that. Look, it's like ice below it. Do you see
Because
it?
you keep like shimmying over it.
No, that's just
You're
what
like-
it is.
There's like snow falling off the buildings,
It sounds like
and
dead
it sounds
bodies.
like bodies are hitting the ground.
Oh, I'm so cold.
We live in Idaho. You like the cold. You have the AC on like all the time.
No, because it gets hot. So now that I'm out here,
You're like,
whoa!
you're like, now that I've, you know, like grown a brain. My fucking hand is so cold. You whore. It went down my shirt.
You are. I went like this. I thought I was just gonna hit your legs. I guess it went higher. I underestimated my ability to really kick.
Look, it looks like a massive dandruff. Like,
Don't pretend like that's a snow. Oh.
my.
Probably charge your phone before you go to work. I don't know.
Before I go to, I take my charger to work.
I don't know. Do you want to go inside?
Okay, yeah, we gotta do our outro.
I don't know what it is. I don't remember it. What is it? Okay, so we post videos
Whenever we want.
Kyla, don't copy me. And speak when you're spoken to. And then
You're like, otherwise, shut the fuck up.
and we hope everyone enjoys the holiday season. And
Thanks for joining us out in the cold. Anyways, like and subscribe, leave a comment. We love you.
bye. I'm leaving.